Hi.
I'm Michael Andre.
Ano? Ulit. 1, 2, 3. Hi.
I'm Andre.
Wait lang. Hindi pa tapos eh. 1, 2, 3. Hi, I'm Michael.
Andre.
And we're going to open some
One Piece and Pokemon. One Piece and Pokemons.
Pokemon cards and 2 Pokemon.
What I mean basketball.
2 Pokemon Stellar Crown and 2
Two
One
One
Piece
Piece.
EB02. So, ano na
Wait,
natin?
should we battle?
Yeah, of course. You just pick one. Just pick one here. Oh, dun sa kabila.
I pick this.
Okay. Sino na? This is my pack.
This is my pen.
So, it's going to battle.
Me.
Una, Pokemon o One Piece muna? One Piece muna.
Okay.
Sino One Piece oh. So, sabay tayo. Ready?
Yeah,
Okay.
I straight up break it.
So,
I
careful
straight up
yung
break
stick.
it.
Careful yan sa card. Baka masira. Okay. Wow. Oops. Tingnan na. Lapit mo.
The thousand
Ready?
sunny.
1, 2, 3.
I got the
Next.
thousand sunny.
Hindi ka kita. Yan. Ready. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Oy, wait.
I got
Ano to? Normal. Is this normal? First time namin magbukas nito eh. This is mine and this is Andre's.
Your Sanji.
I'm not sure if this is okay. This is good. But it's a rare siya.
Are you sure it's rare? Because it's our
Ay,
first
okay
time.
na. Thank you.
It's our first time, remember?
Okay.
So we don't exactly know if
This is our first time opening One Piece EB02.
so we don't know
So we
yet.
don't know yet. Okay. Lagyan natin yan. Next. Pokemon.
Well,
Kaya mo na yan. Careful kasi baka may hit yan. This is my pack. So, unfortunately, wala kami nakikitang Surging Spark. Wala kami nakitang Prismatic Evolution and Journey Together. Sa pinuntahan kong mga Robinson and Toys R Us, mostly up 3 to 4 box lang daw, tapos pila pa daw yun nung release date. So, naubos ka agad. So, kung may
I need help.
wait lang. Kung may kakilala kayo, yun yung pagkakataon nyo doon. But for the rest of us na wala namang kakilala,
Finally.
wala. Iyak tawa tayo. Hindi tayo makabili.
I finally opened it by my
Ano
own.
ba yan? Nagsira. Wait lang. So, wala sa Dita Beats. Madalang sa Robinson, pati Toys R Us, pati Toy Kingdom. Sa Maxsoft, sa Shopee, Lazada, wala rin. Sa In The Zone, wala rin. So, ang hirap. Uy, naan mo na. Wait lang. So, ang hirap magkaroon ng hobby ngayon, lalo sa Pokemon kasi
I accidentally saw
it's too expensive na.
Daddy, I accidentally saw what I got.
Already. Next time.
I already got what I
Sige.
got.
Ready, 1, 2, lapit mo.
I'm not happy with it.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
I'm
Huwag mo
not-
kasi hindi nakikita. 1, 2, 3.
I'm not happy what I got.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wala, press. 1, 2, 3. Naalala ko to, yung binibenta to sa 7-Eleven ng 500, 300 doon, no?
Hey, let's sell that right
1,
now.
2, 3. Bumaba na yun. Uy, what's this? Deluxe Bomb. Ano yan? Hindi ko makita sa'yo. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Oh, wala.
SIR! SIR!
Sumigaw. Wait, lugi ako. Ba't ito lang sa akin? Sabi mo, pangit na sa'yo.
Because I saw this one, not this one.
And
SIR!
wow, Andre got the
SIR.
SCR.
What do you mean SCR?
Secret Rare. Secret Rare, SCR. Wow, ito nakuha ni Andre. Sabi niya, pangit nakuha niya. Pero
Because I
nakakuha
got
siya
this.
ng Galvantula EX from Stellar Crown.
Because
So,
I only saw this. Look, I only saw this.
Careful.
Looks like I won.
So, yeah, you won.
Your hit is a deluxe bomb.
Yeah, I know. Ito lang sa akin. And the rare was this one. Dami na namin yan.
And also, it's 2 golden stars. And what is this? F?
Secret rare.
S?
Ako. Tagal na ako din
FR?
nagbubukas ng Pokemon.
FR?
Anyway, Andre won. So, baka matagal lang kami ulit makapag-open because ang hirap na bumili. Sobrang mahal na bumili ng Pokemon.
Or sometimes that is kind of jealous I won.
And we saw the English pack ng One Piece, mahal. 200 plus din binibenta, parang Pokemon na rin. So, anyway, I'm Michael.
And Ray.
At nandito kami saan tayo?
7.
7-Eleven ka dyan.
Nandito
kami sa
7-Eleven.
Shell. Dito kami nagtambay at anong oras na? 10:58 p.m.
And guys, the hit of the day.
The heat of the night. Because it's night time, hindi na day.
The
So,
hit of the night time.
keep on
Keep on watching us and you'll see better cards.
and magtira kayo. Wala kami mabili.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye ka na, bye.